So here's the first rock out of there. We weren't sure what this is, couldn't get a proper ID on it. But we're gonna probably hand polish this one little area and see if it takes a shine. It feels kind of gritty, like it won't, but doesn't mean, you never know. Can't get a positive ID on this rock, but I thought it had potential to maybe take a good shine because it looks pretty good wet. Alright, let's run these through some water and see what they look like. That's the thing about rock hounding is, you know, you have the experience of doing the rock hounding, you enjoy it, and then you get to come home. And if you end up tumbling them, you handle them several more times. This one, I just thought that the veining, the green veining in there was so cool. Nice, our first possible jasper. Nice little red quartz. So we've got a decent little batch here. This guy really feels like a jasper. This is a nice piece, so we're hoping this one tumbles out excellent. And this guy had some cool lines in them. So, and then the little white quartz are easy because they're tumbled. So that's the first batch inside of this. And we have, I think, 4 bags in this box. Alright, these two, AI says now it's telling me it's chert or jasper. I don't know, I just thought they were neat to have these big flat pieces along the beach. Here's the next basket we're going to get wet. And we have one big bag after this inside this box from the same beach. Alright, here we are. This is probably not going to tumble too well. This, I just thought the veining and lines on it was really cool. I don't think I'll tumble that. I think I'll try and cut a piece off of that and see if it takes a shine. Same with this one, although it's pretty well tumbled. And I think we'll cut that one. That's obviously a sandstone, so light. It's kind of cool. This was neat just because it had this little pocket of quartz on there. This is not going to tumble. And it might tumble. Sandstone. Maybe a jasper. No. So, oh, look at that green one. Pretty cool. Here's the last bag from that box. We get it wet. And this one's got nice potential. Oh, that one I really love. Again, tumble that one. This one, a little rough, but we'll try tumbling it. That one probably won't come out in the tumbler. And then I got some nice little round quartz ones there at the bottom. Possible piece of jasper. Nope, it's probably too silty. So yep, there we go, friends. That's going to wrap up this unboxing video, Unboxing Alaska. Stay tuned for more videos coming out each week, unboxing the treasures from my trip. If you want to see where I collected these, go back and watch my playlist. It's called Summer 2026 Alaska. Thank you so much, and God bless you.